If you want to learn how to download Rocket League on PC and laptop, just keep on watching. First step, open a web browser on your laptop and on the search tab, search for rocketleague.com. Press the first link on the results tab and it will lead you to the official page of Rocket League. Then, press the play free icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you're playing it on PC, just press the PC icon and it will lead you to a new page, which is epicgames.com, the website of the company that released Rocket League. Now, press the get icon at the right part of your screen and it will ask you to sign in with Epic Games. If you already have an Epic Games account, just sign in, but if you do not have, you can easily sign up or create an account. Then, just wait for the site or the page to completely load, and once loaded, you'll see at the bottom part a blue place order icon. Once you've checked and verified all information of your purchase, just press place order and wait for a few seconds for it to completely load. Once you're done with your purchase, you will now be asked to download the launcher, which in my case I don't have yet. So I have to press the download launcher icon and then press the save as button at the top right corner of your screen, which will appear when you press download launcher. Just verify all the installation process and wait for the launcher to completely load or install on your laptop. Once the Epic Games launcher is downloaded, you'll be asked to sign in on your Epic Games account once again. Just wait for the website or the application to completely load, and once it's done loading, go to Library, which is located at the left part of your screen, and there you'll see the Rocket League application. So once you're in Library, just scroll down until you see the poster of Rocket League, but if you can't see it, you can also utilize the search tab at the top left corner of your screen. Once you've located and pressed Rocket League, just press install, and then you'll be asked to read and agree with the end user license agreement. Once all of these are done, you can start playing Rocket League on your PC and laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.